the various garden design rules that you can follow, but this is very much a plant lover's border. This is a collection of our favourite plants. We have done a few things to give a nod to some of these things. So we've got here the bright pink penstemon, but they've got the white as well, so it's white and pink. And then it's just echoing it over there. There's the Rosa ballerina. And then if we sneak through, it's the same sort of pink on the Salvia salmias in the background. So your eye is popping around from these different pinks, and it does make it feel a bit more cohesive. Also the same we've done with some oranges. Of course, if you're doing a very tasteful border, there is no way you would have orange and pink, but ours is very much everything. We love everything. So we've got the GM Totally Tangerine here, and that's giving a bit of height on the orange, but it's quite subtle. But then we have dotted about, we have a clump of the Heuchera Marmalade here, another clump of it there. We also have some repetition, our winding path as you go through. We've got several of the Alchemilla mollis, the lady's mantle, lovely frothy yellow flowers. We've got the Roseanne. We're hoping they will get nice and big in the time they're in with us, and there's a few of them dotted around. They're really good for ground cover, for really long flowering. Interspersed with them, we've got the Erigeum Kavinskianus, which is another just non-stop flower, the white daisy flowers on them, and they do look really nice against cobblestone and gravel and things like that. If they were staying in, they would be seeding themselves. It's the sort of thing you find popping up all over the garden, but it just gives that really nice kind of romantic cottage garden feel, and that's, you know, what we've gone for here. Giving us a bit of height, we've got the hanging baskets on the archway. We've got the climbing lady boothby. Will be interesting to see how tall it can get itself in a few months. We're waiting for our Tracheospermum, the star jasmine. They should be arriving too. They're going to go on the inside of the arch, so it's going to be 2 climbers on each side, and hopefully that will also fill us out and make it all feel joined up. Do come and see us. We're open every day, 10 AM to 4 PM at Ipswich Road, Newbourne, near Woodbridge, Suffolk. We'd love to see you, and hope you'd really enjoy seeing the garden.